Well, hey there, everybody. I wanted to just come out and give a nighttime garden video. You see everybody else's gardens during the day, but I figured I'm going to let you see my garden at night. So let's start off with the pond. I'm going to be putting together my video on my pond build. Then I got some sunflowers here. Now these are just decorative sunflowers. They're not really for the seeds, but they grew really tall. I threw a whole couple bags of sunflower seeds into this little raised bed. And like I said, they are tall all the way up. Back here I got some strawberries. Strawberry plants back here. Maybe a tomato plant, and I just harvested some potatoes over here. As we walk around, we're going to go around the outside of the garden here first. I have my tomatoes all rowed up right here. Got some carrots. Going to be mixing them in with my hot sauces. I let my lettuce, romaine lettuce, and the kale right here, the lettuce went to seed. Didn't get enough of it fast enough. And I start getting into a few of my pepper plants. These are cayennes. I think these are serranos and some more cayennes. Over here I got a whole bunch of basil. That's some sage. Harvested all my garlic. But my my grapevines, they're doing pretty good. I'm hoping to get grapes. I didn't get very many last year. Hopefully I get a few more this year. See if I can focus in on these. Get some from the top up here. But I got grapes that are growing. It's middle of August, so I still got a month or two for the grapes to come in. Another empty garlic bed. Right here I have some habanero reds that are still green, but they're just getting bigger. Jalapenos. I picked most of the jalapenos on this plant. Had some poppers the other day. Down here I have some more jalapeno reds, or habanero reds, excuse me, habanero reds. And these are big. These are some big peppers right here. Right here I have a Boonie Pepper plant. I planted I sowed about 25 seeds. I had one plant come out. So I was very lucky to have one Boonie Pepper plant. And a few of them are getting ready to turn red. Here's another jalapeno plant. This one's starting to turn dark here. More jalapenos. This one here's a serrano. Over in this raised bed I have a bunch of peppers. I didn't prepare this raised bed very good this year. I just didn't have enough compost to put into it. But like I said, more jalapenos. Jalapenos all over the place. These pots are going to be going into my greenhouse as soon as it starts getting colder. Down below I got some pumpkins. Whole bunch of thyme over here. Some more cayennes. Got some beans. I've already been harvesting a whole bunch of tomatoes off my tomato plants. That one could probably get harvested tomorrow. It's almost there. Going to be making spaghetti sauce here in the upcoming weeks. Some cucumbers. I really got to do some picking here tomorrow. Some more strawberries. Another pumpkins back here. And more tomatoes. These sunflowers, they've already been picked up. Made some pickled sunflowers, or dill sunflowers. And I actually got some watermelons this year. So that's amazing. It's hit or miss with me with watermelons. And then right here I have a bunch of basil. This is some purple. And then I have some Italian and some Greek. So I'm all set. Well, I hope you enjoyed my nighttime garden video. If you did, hey, give me a big thumbs up. Push that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening and have a great day.